Welcome to our roundup of the best outdoor camping stoves. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or camping with friends, having a reliable stove can turn any outdoor trip into a gourmet experience. We've selected top-rated models that combine power, portability, and fuel efficiency, perfect for cooking anywhere from mountain trails to lakeside camps. In this video, we'll highlight each stove's performance, design, and ease of use to help you choose the right one for your adventures. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find your perfect outdoor cooking companion. The first on the list is the Camping Folding 3800W Camping Stove. This powerful and portable stove is a fantastic choice for campers who want top-tier performance without adding bulk to their pack. Delivering an impressive 3,800 watts of heating power, it can boil water or cook meals in minutes, making it perfect for quick breakfasts or hearty dinners on the trail. Its high-efficiency burner design ensures consistent flame control and even heat distribution, so your food cooks evenly every time. Built from durable stainless steel and aluminum alloy, it's resistant to corrosion, wear, and high temperatures, ensuring long-term reliability in harsh outdoor conditions. Overall, the Camping Folding 3800W Camping Stove is a compact yet mighty companion for any outdoor adventure. With its powerful output, foldable design, and excellent wind resistance, it strikes a perfect balance between performance and portability. Next up is the Wide-Sea Camping Cooking System. Designed for hikers and backpackers, this ultra-efficient system combines a compact design with powerful heating performance. Its integrated burner and pot setup ensures rapid boiling, allowing you to heat water or cook meals in just minutes. The heat exchange base maximizes fuel efficiency, reducing gas consumption and making it ideal for extended trips. Built with hard anodized aluminum, it's both lightweight and durable, capable of withstanding years of rugged outdoor use. The secure locking lid and built-in igniter add convenience, while the folding handle ensures easy storage. This system also pairs perfectly with widely available fuel canisters, so finding replacements on the trail is easy. The flame control is smooth, allowing you to switch between rapid boiling and gentle simmering with precision. Overall, the Wide-Sea cooking system is a must-have for backpackers who value speed, simplicity, and efficiency on the go. Next, we have the Camping Moon XD 2F adjustable gas stove. Built for serious outdoor chefs, this model offers precise flame adjustment, allowing perfect control over cooking temperature. Its stainless steel frame is incredibly sturdy, supporting heavy pots and pans without wobbling, while the brass burner head ensures long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. What sets this stove apart is its low center of gravity design, which provides excellent stability on uneven terrain. The wide base prevents tipping, even when cooking large meals. The XD2F also features foldable arms and legs for compact storage, making it easy to pack into your camping gear. With an impressive heat output and fast ignition system, it performs reliably in various weather conditions. Overall, the Camping Moon XD2F is ideal for campers who prioritize control, durability, and a professional cooking experience outdoors. Next on our list is the D3500W Gas Stove Windproof Outdoor Gas Burner. Compact yet incredibly powerful, this stove is perfect for those who need efficient cooking power in a small package. Delivering up to 3,500 watts of output, it can boil a liter of water in just over 2 minutes. The windproof flame design significantly improves efficiency, maintaining strong heat even in challenging weather. Built from high-grade aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it's durable, lightweight, and resistant to corrosion. The foldable support arms create a stable base for various pot sizes, and the built-in ignition system makes starting the flame effortless, no lighter required. One of the standout features is the fuel-saving burner head, which spreads heat evenly, ensuring your meals cook consistently without hot spots. Overall, the D3500W is a top pick for campers who want high heat output, wind resistance, and portability in one efficient design. The last one on our list is the Tarka 3 Heads Gas Stove. This stove is a powerhouse designed for family camping or outdoor gatherings where multiple dishes need to be cooked at once. Its 3 high-efficiency burners deliver consistent flames with exceptional heat distribution, ensuring you can grill, boil, or fry simultaneously without losing performance. Constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel, it resists rust and wear even after prolonged outdoor use. The adjustable flame control knobs let you fine-tune the heat level for each burner, giving you precise control over your cooking. Despite its size, it remains portable thanks to its detachable legs and folding design. The wind-blocking side panels protect the flame during breezy conditions, ensuring efficient fuel use. It connects easily to standard gas cylinders and includes a secure safety valve to prevent leaks. Overall, the Tarka 3 Heads Gas Stove is an excellent choice for campers who want the capability to cook full meals outdoors with ease, safety, and superior performance. So that wraps up our list of the best camping stoves for your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!